Alright, you guys, so we are back with the viral onion boil. I have my daughter here with me. She wants to try it out, so let's see. This is what it's given. It looks really good. So you ready? We just want to dig in. Come on. They say you can't eat the outer layer because it's like too thick or something. So we just want to peel that off. This looks so good. I cooked mine a little longer because I wanted it to be really soft. Mmm. You really like it? Mm-hmm. Y'all might be onto something.
Like the juice is helping the taste.
Mm-hmm. It's so sweet. It kind of tastes like a potato. They say the middle part is the best part because that's where all the seasoning is. I forgot to boil the eggs. I was supposed to do eggs with this. Is it getting spicy to you or is it just me?
Yeah, it has a little kick to it. When things are like hot, temperature hot, then it kind of makes the food hot.
Like spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. That's why I don't like hot food. So I let this cool down for about 30 minutes and it's still pretty
hot.
Yeah. I like this. What would you rate this?
8.
8. I think I'd give it around about a 7.5, 8 too.
I just rated it at 8 because like I don't really like the mushiness, but I like it.
Yeah, it's really, really soft. It absorbs the seasonings really well. Like I didn't think the outer layers was gonna taste all that good, but everything is seasoned. Just nice. We just had the juices left.
Now I want another one with shrimp and potatoes now.
I know. And I'm gonna put the recipe at the end of the video if you guys want to try it. It's really not that hard to make. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Alright, so first you want to get you some nice sized onions. I'm using sweet onions. I feel like it definitely contributed to the flavor. Definitely be mindful what type of onion that you get for this recipe. Next you want to go ahead and peel, rinse off your onion, and you want to cut out the core because we're going to be stuffing the middle with some seasonings. I'm stuffing mine with some butter, and I'm going to be using Creole seasoning, lemon pepper, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of Tony's, black pepper, and some chicken bouillon, which I feel like adds a lot of flavor. Then you're going to go ahead and melt down some butter, add those same seasonings, and just pour it over top. You want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Go ahead and cover them up with some foil. Stick them in the oven. I cooked mine for about 2 hours because I wanted it to be really, really soft. And this is the finished look. You turned out really, really good. So go ahead, try it, and let me know what you guys think.